Okay, everybody, look at this. It's daytime. Probably wondering how much snow fell last night. Again, March the 12th. We're in daylight savings time. Just to give you an idea how far along we are to 2017. It's like, oh my gosh. Look at the snow, will you? Have a look at this, guys. Now, it's melting quickly. Of course, it's melting quickly because it's so warm out. I mean, it's supposed to be 50 degrees today. But have a look at that, guys. We have trees with all their leaves on them covered in snow. And there are a lot of people out there with power outages this morning. Of course, as we all know, Duke Energy and power outages go hand in hand together. Now, of course, we're not on Duke Power. We're on Energy United Electric Co-op. We haven't lost any power. But yeah, look at the pine trees off in the distance. There, you can see them better now. Yeah. Happy. Look at that. Look at the snow on the trees. Now, of course, I wouldn't expect this to be some sort of spectacular snow event, but to have about an inch of snow on the ground on March 12th is just unfreaking real. You can hear the kids are out excited, having a good time in it. I can't wait to see how the footage from my weather case camera and other camera look, because I started them late last night, so they had to have been recording when the sun came up, and it was snowing pretty good last night. But still, holy cow. Never seen nothing like this before in my life. And accumulating snow this late into March. It's just unfreaking real. We'll step out a little bit and take another look. I definitely gotta get pictures of this. This is just something you don't see every day. At least not down here. Anyway. I have to say, how pretty is this? Now, of course, since it's so warm out, it didn't make any sort of impact for the roads. Roads are fine. Kind of laughing at the fact that our DOT spent time salting and brining the roads when they could have saved that money to do more productive things like replace the broken reflectors on the roads that got ripped up from the last snowfall. It's like, who the heck is going to put brine on the roads when it's supposed to be 50 degrees the following day? Yeah, guys, this is just such a weird freaking event. I mean, it was 50 something degrees yesterday, supposed to get up to the 50s today, and between those two times of 50 degree weather, you know, when it gets cold enough, we have a brief snow event. Again, that is just so freaking unreal. Anyways, I'm going to take some pictures of this. Again, how freaking amazing is that? Okay, everybody, here it is going on 4 o'clock. Again, now we're in daylight savings time and not sadness time anymore, as I call it. So what you call this? This is what I would call a fly-by-night snowstorm. I mean, seriously, a fly-by-night snow event. Because if we look outside now, be like, snow? What snow? Don't see any snow. Yeah, guys, it's already gone. Matter of fact, the ground looks almost already dry. I mean, the porch is almost completely dry. Again, it's like, yeah, what snow? Don't see no snow. Again, that was a very interesting weather event, I have to say. For those of you who want to see some snow, well, you got it, and it's gone that quick. Yeah, even in the spots where the sun is not hitting, it's gone. You wouldn't even be able to tell it ever snowed. I mean, everywhere it's done melted that quick. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.